Just a little update. I just pulled out my pistons. Everything looks pretty good down here. Got the patina inside, of course. I don't know how many miles are on this engine. Got all my pistons in order down there. Pulled the camshaft out, but one of those cam brains has a groove, another one has a little bit of a mar or something in it. The oil pan, I don't know if this engine was sitting outside for a while. The guy had it for sitting outside, I think, for a year when I bought it. There's a little bit of sludge and stuff in it. I don't see any metal in it. So far it looks pretty good. I'm going to take the crankshaft out and give it a little once over before I hone it. Hone it, I should say. Yeah, just a little update. Everything looks good so far. I'll be sure to check it for cracks or anything like that. So far it looks pretty good.